Hello guys, in this video today I am going to do the unboxing of a refurbished Realme 2 Pro that I ordered online at a very interesting price. So in this video I am going to do the unboxing of this and also going to give you the first impressions of this, and we'll also check that whether is this good or not. So without wasting any more time, quickly get started. But before that, hello guys, my name is Arjit and like all time, welcome back again in another new video of my channel. So here you can see that the main box. So let's cut all these seals here and many places and look what we get inside. Here the delivery slip is. Let's cut it out, and here I have the kitchen knife, the unboxing knife missing. Quickly cut it out. Let me cut the cells of this. Cut it from here and see what we get inside. So here the box of Realme 2 Pro is wrapped in a bubble plastic. Let's cut this also. There are lots of sellotapes. Friends, it's really difficult to cut this using a kitchen knife. Finally, I'm able to open it. So here the box of Realme 2 Pro, and here it's written that it's the 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM, and the RAM type is LPDDR4X and ROM type is UFS 2.2. Here you can see the IMI numbers, and the color that I ordered is blue ocean, or better to say ocean blue. Here RAM 4GB, RAM 64GB. And here it's made in India, designed by Realme, made in India. That's a very good thing that I like. And date of manufacturing is 2018 year and 18 September. So and here you can also see by pausing it that the price written in the box is 15,000. You can see it, and also you can see here that the battery is 3500 mAh. The screen size is 6.3-inch Full HD plus, and the weight of this is really very light. It's 174 gram only. With a screen of size 6.3-inch, it's really a lightweight phone. It's really quickly unbox it. Oh guys, here also sealed. Let me cut this. Oh. Again one seal. Oh my god, lots of seals are there. Really a hesitating one. Is there any seal left? I think that I cut all the seals. Here finally Tana. So here you can see that the Realme 2 Pro is wrapped in plastic, keeping it aside for now. And what others you get in the box? Nothing. There is no charging adapter and no cable. So keeping it. I think that there is something. Oh, there is a case. There is a TPU case. So let me take it out also. There is a basic TPU case. Okay quality. Not so good or not so bad. Keeping it aside also. So here you can see that I have the main Realme 2 Pro smartphone. Quickly take it out from the plastic and have a look. So here guys, the Realme 2 Pro, and a screen guard is also pre-applied on the screen. That's a good thing, but the screen is a little bit cracked from the top side, which is okay in this price point. Quickly turn the phone on. 3, 2, 1, and it's vibrant and Realme powered by Android. And to be honest guys, the animation of Realme is really liked by me. It's really great. Here you can see that I don't have an option to set the phone. It is already all set before. What this is. So that's the screen quality, and it's definitely a A-class quality because it's a full HD plus LCD panel, IPS LCD panel. That's definitely the good thing. It has a 16 plus 2 megapixel dual AI rear camera with a the fingerprint scanner on the back and with a flashlight also. And on the front, in the notch here, it has also a 16 megapixel front camera, and the aperture of the rear camera is f1.71. That's really a good camera, and by the way, it's also a Sony sensor. So here main phone is, and it's really good. Let me set my fingerprint. So quickly opening the settings. Here you can see that there are lots of options. So here I have to select the option fingerprint and face ID. Let me focus. And here there is lock screen password. So here a caution, Mary, if you forgot your lock screen password, you will be unable to unlock your phone or recover your phone data. Continue. And the random password 11111. Okay, 111111. Done. So let me set my fingerprint. Actually, my finger is not cleaned, so it's saying that blurred fingerprint. We have to press it like a button, otherwise we will not be able to add a fingerprint. Done. Let me set a face ID also. Enroll face. Here I registered my face also. Quickly see it. How does it work? Let me test the face ID. It's definitely the first is face ID. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. So here you can see that it's unlocked. And let's test the fingerprint scanner. Fingerprint scanner is not working all the times. I don't know that why is this happening here. Fingerprint scanner is not working, guys. It's work. Let me try it again. It does not work. It's not working at all. Why I don't know, but it's not working. Don't know that why the fingerprint scanner is not working. By the way, let me give you the physical overview of the phone. So at the bottom, you're going to get a micro USB port at the middle. Then this side, the left side, you are going to get the speaker grill. Then at the side of the micro USB port, you're going to get the primary microphone and the headphone jack. Here you're going to get a power button. At the top, you're going to get the secondary microphone for noise cancellation. And at this side, you're going to get a SIM tray and volume rockers. And guys, let me put the case also. It's also looking nice with this. So friends, that's all in this video. Hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, then do like, share, comment, and also don't forget to do subscribe to our channel for such an interesting videos. By the way, friends, let me tell you that some interesting giveaways of some mobiles are coming soon on my channel. So do subscribe my channel and stay tuned for that. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more interesting topics. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.